Alrighty, hey everybody, it's your soft-spoken scientist. Today we're going to solve word problems using linear equations, step by step, in a clear way. Word problems scare people only because they're written like paragraphs. The secret is translating English into math. Number one, define your variable. And the way I try to do it, x is my unknown, okay? Find relationships with like words like more than or less than, and try the total difference. Difference is the solution to a subtraction problem. Like, trying to find those relationships, turn sentences into an equation, solve the equation, answer the questions in words. Basically, if you can read, you can do word problems. You just have to decode them, okay? Let's try this one. Alex is 7 years older than Bella. If their total age is 41, how old is Alex? So let X be Bella's age. Okay? All right. Alex is a way of saying equals is, yep. Alex is 7 years older, so 7 plus, 7 years older than Bella's age. All right? Their total age is 41. So I have x plus 7 equals 41. So I have Bella's age plus Alex's age. So I got Bella's age plus Alex's age is 41. Can't forget the 1. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just bring it on down. I'm going to solve. I have 2x plus 7. Got an x right here, and then brought the 7 on down. I just added these together. That's all I did. Don't be distributing that x out because there's a positive sign that would be distributed instead. Okay, so you have 2x plus 7 equals 41. I'm going to minus both sides by 7 to find out what x is, because remember, x is my unknown, and I want x alone. So 7 minus 7 is 0. Just bring down the 2x. Bring down the equal sign. What's 41 minus 7? That would be 34. All right? Divide both sides by 2. And the reason I'm doing that is because I have 2 times x, and I don't want that. So that will cancel out, and I got x is equal to 17. Right? And we know that x is Bella's age. So Bella is 17 years old. Okay, so we got 17 plus x plus 7 equals 41, right? So that would mean that Alex is 24, right? Because 41 minus 17, do you guys know what that would be? 24. So Alex is 24, Bella is 17. So the final answer is Alex is 24 years old. Let's move on. All right. A gym charges a $25 sign-up fee plus $12 per month. If someone paid $145 total, how many months were they a member? So we're going to let x be the number of months. Okay? So we got $25 sign up, then we got a fee of $12 per month for each month. $12 for a month. That's what 12x means. And it's $145 that they've paid thus far total. All right? So let's do the math, right? We set up our formula. I'm going to minus both sides by 25. That'll cancel out, and then I have 12x. I just brought that down. 145 minus 25. What's 5 minus 5? 0. What's 4 minus 2? 2. Bring down the 1. We have 12x equals 120. Divide both sides by 12 to get x alone. I got x is equal to 10. Okay? They were a member for 10 months. It's like fee plus rate times time equals your total. That's essentially how you do those things. Okay, let's try this one. A car travels 180 miles at a constant speed. If its speed was 12 miles per hour faster than a second car that took the same trip in 4 hours. Find both speeds. First off, that's a lot, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to let x be the speed of the slower car. Okay? The faster car was going 12 miles per hour faster, right? So the faster car would be x, speed of the slower car, plus 12. And in case you guys didn't know, the distance formula, right, that you guys need to know is that time is equal to distance all over speed. Or you could just say t is equal d over s, either one. Okay, so we have the slower car's time, which is 180 at a constant speed all over x. This is for the slow car. It's the slower car. We know the faster car's time was 180 all over x plus 12, right? So given fastest car took 4 hours, we would have 180 all over x plus 12 equals 4. So then we just start solving. So what we're going to do is multiply both sides by x plus 12 to get rid of that denominator. I don't want that there. What I do on one side, I do to the other. Cancels out. 180 equals, what's 4 times x? 4x. What's 4 times positive 12? Positive 48. So you got 4x plus 48 equals 180. I'm going to minus both sides by 48. And I'll just show you how to do the subtraction in case you guys are a little bit lost on that. I'm going to go to my neighbor, borrow 1 to become 10. This will become 7. 10 minus 8 is 2. 7 minus 4 is 3. Bring down the 1. 132 equals 4x, all right? I'm going to divide both sides by 4. Bam, bam, because 4 divided by 4 is 1. So I got x equals 33. Because I know that 30 times 4 is 120. And then you add another 4. You add another 4. You add another 4. 31, 32, 33 on the side. Think of it like that. And you're going to get 100. Yeah, 32. Which would lead you to that 33. 132 over 4 is 33. That's how I like to see it, if that makes sense. But I'm sure your teacher will give you a calculator. But great job today. Translating real-world problems into linear equations is one of the most useful algebra skills you'll ever learn. If you want more guided practice, my algebra book is linked at the top of the description. And remember, STEM is for everybody, especially you. Thanks, guys.